Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of videos for the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is about how you can add a scheduler to your website. The scheduler is via an application called vCiter, and you need an account with vCiter to make this work. Let me show you what this looks like first of all. To add the scheduler to your website, you will need to go to Widgets. You can type online scheduling or scroll down, and it's this one here, online scheduling. And I'm just going to drag this in here. And this is what you see. You will need to sign up for vCiter, an account. You'll have an email address, first name and last name, and then continue. And this is what it looks like when you sign in. You have a number of servers you can actually point people to. I'm going to add a calendar. I'm going to add the edit service. It's now going into my account, and I'm going to have this introductory phone call. And I'm going to fill out the details here, and I'm just going to save. So I've now, when somebody clicks the button, I'll be looking to have a 50-minute introductory phone call, albeit this hasn't been set up correctly. So what does it look like? If I now go to preview, somebody can click this button. This is what it looks like. Introductory phone call, 15 minutes. As it wasn't set up correctly, it doesn't appear here properly, but you can, if you sign up for the account, you can set this up properly and you can do this accordingly. We can change the design of the button. We can go to design. We can change the style of the button. We can have this round shape. We can have this particular shape. We can change the size of the button. We can keep it proportionally. We can change the background color. Change the border. We'll have this pink color here and add a border. You've got more design options here. You have a background color when you hover. Instead of this black color, we might want it this color. We can change the hover border color. You can have rounded corners. It is a rounded one. You can make it a rectangular one. You can have a shadow. Select a color. Select where you'd like it to show. You can also change the button text, the font, the size, the color, format. You can also have a hover font color. You might want it to be black and bold. You can also add an image to the back of the button, although I wouldn't recommend it here, but you can just click it. You can add an image accordingly. You can see the image just appearing there. You can have it cover, full image, tile, no repeats. And you can have it static. As it scrolls up and down, you see an image behind there that stays static. I'm going to delete the image. You can add animation to the button. This is when an animation is when it's triggered by two events, an entrance or scroll. Entrance means that when I get to this particular place of the website, it will actually take effect. I'm going to have it fading in, and I'm going to have it fading from the right. I can change the duration, delay and intensity, and I can preview the animation. I can also add some spacing. The other thing is the button at the moment is to the left. I might want to change its position to the center or to the right. The center to the left. Let's put it in the center. And just preview this again. Set an appointment. Press the button. Up comes the information. Remember, you need to sign up for vCiter to have this to work.